Hello friends, welcome to Sonacme Technology. Now, in my hand holding a handheld UV irradiance meters, it is primarily used to calibrate the irradiance of the lamp in the test chamber. Because changes in light intensity affect the speed material aging, the aging test chamber must accurately control the irradiance in order to get accurate and repeatable test results. And this one, the handheld irradiance meters help us calibrate the irradiance weakening of the lamp due to the aging before we begin testing. Then, how to use it? After running the machine for a few minutes, the irradiance of the lamp can be measured by placing a detector on the irradiance meters on a special rack. And now, let's click Start to start the test chamber. Let's come back to it in a few minutes. Time has passed 2.5 minutes. We can see that the control system shows that the current irradiance is 2.8 watt per square meters. Let us use the handheld irradiance meters to measure it, and here it also shows 0.8 watt per square meters, which means that the lamp can still continue to be used. But if you find that the irradiance meters measured is not the same as the control system shows, remember to change the lamp in time. That's all for today's sharing. Learn more, please pay attention to Sonacme Technology. Bye bye.